Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of NBA data analysis. If you are a basketball fan, data enthusiast, this tutorial is perfect for you. We are going to walk through how to access and analyze NBA data using some powerful tools like Python, Pandas, and Matplotlib. First, we'll start by pulling data directly from the NBA API, giving us some real-time stats and insights. Then we'll clean and organize that data using Pandas, making it ready for in-depth analysis. Finally, we'll visualize our findings with Matplotlib, creating a nice graph that brings the numbers to life. Whether you are new to data analysis or looking to expand your skills, this step-by-step guide will give you everything you need to start exploring NBA data like a pro. So grab your favorite team's jersey and let's jump into it. As you can see here, I'm using Jupyter Notebooks and created a new notebook, Python notebook called API Data Analysis for NBA. So always the first thing we will start with is to create or to import our libraries. So I will start with the pandas, so import pandas as PD. The second is import matplotlib. I'm not going to import the entire matplotlib library. I'm going to use just the pyplot as plt. I execute them both. Now since I've imported them, I'm going to install the NBA API because it is important. In order to do that, I'm going to use the pip. So pip install NBA API. It will take some seconds. As you can see, the requirement is already satisfied for me, but if you are new to this, it will be installed safely. After that, I need to import some stats from the NBA API. So from NBA API .stats .static import teams. This way I will import the teams of the NBA here. Now the next step is to create a function. This function will allow me to take all the teams, because this will be a list of teams, their items. Its items are dictionaries. So I will take the list of these teams and cast it into one huge dictionary. So let's define the function. So def, let's name it one dict, in one dictionary. One dict. You can name it wherever you want. It will take the list of dicts this way. And the first variable will be the keys. I need the keys. It will get from the list of dicts like that, dictionaries, 0 dot keys. After that, I need to create the variable which this function will return. Let's call it one dict. No, let's call it out dict. Yeah, out dict, out dictionary. So this function will take the, it will take the, I will initialize the key first. So key, like that, or key in keys. Then for dict, this is a new variable. I can't name it dict because dict is already reserved in Python. I will do the underscore. So let's say for dict in list dict, this variable in list dict. What I can do here is for key value in dict dot items. Here I will extract the entire items from the variable dict. The out dict out dict of the key will append the value, this value. And once we finish, we will return the out key, the out dict, this way. So this function, this function will do, it will take a list of dictionaries from the teams and cast it into one huge dictionary, because I'm going to use this one huge dictionary and turn it into data frame using Panda later. Let's execute this. The next step is to get the teams. So MBA teams will receive teams from here. These teams dot get teams. Teams this way. Now I executed this. If I want to see the MBA teams, I can go for MBA teams. If I want to display them, as you can see here, I have the list of all MBA teams. They are a list, and inside this list there are dictionary items. Or let's slice it. Let's display only the first 3 items. I have Atlanta Hawks, Boston Celtics, and Cleveland Cavaliers. Since this is okay, now what I need to do is to cast this list of dictionaries into one dictionary using this function I have implemented before. So in order to do that, I can name it, let's say, dictionary MBA team. Dict MBA team. Dictionary MBA team equals the one dict, and I will give it the MBA teams. Here, MBA teams. I will execute this, and let's see the item we got. As you can see, it is one huge dictionary now. Now this one huge dictionary, I can turn it into a data frame using pandas. So in order to do that, let's say df teams of pandas equal pd dot data frame, and I will put the teams here, data frame, and the dictionary of MBA team here. Execute this, and let's display the items. As you can see now, I got a data frame of all the teams. Let's do only the head, the first 5 teams. As we can see here, I have the Hawks, Celtics, Cavaliers, and so on. Let's search for a team called, let's search for the Warriors, my favorite team. So we create a new variable, df Warriors, equals, let's go with the df teams. df teams, the nickname, let's get the nickname, equals the Warriors. Okay. this way. Let's see if I got the warriors information. Yeah, correct. Now, as you can see here, I have the warriors. That's the abbreviation of the team, the full name, the ID of the team, and the year founded, 1946. Let's do the ID. Let's extract the ID from here because I'm going to need it in the games list. So in order to do that, or yeah, let's extract the ID first. So ID warriors equals df warriors. Yeah, df warriors. Let's get the ID. ID. Yeah. The values. It will be the first row in the first column. And let's display it here. That's the ID of the warriors, as you can see here. This is the ID. I got it into a new variable called ID warriors. Now, let's bring the games. So, first of all, I will create a variable called game finder that equals, or first let's get the games first. So from MBA API stats, the one we got from here, this. So from MBA dot stats, MBA API dot stats dot endpoints, like that. Import league game, yeah, league game finder. Let's go for league game finder. Now I have imported this. So if I want to find the game, so let's create a new variable called game finder equals game finder equals league game finder, this dot league game finder, the class league game finder, this way. As parameters, it will get the team ID, nullable, team ID nullable equals the ID of the warriors, which is that one. Let's do that and see. Okay, now good. I have error. Let's see what is the error exactly. In the connection. Can do it again. Yeah, now it works. It was just the problem with the connection. Now I will go with game finder and get the JSON out of it. So get JSON game finder dot get JSON. Yes. Here I got all the games as a JSON file, as you can see here. Let's turn this, let's get the data frame. So in order to do that, I will go to games equals game finder dot get data frames. And let's see the games. Here, as you can see, these are all the games. I have more than 3,700 game. I can see only, let's display only the first 5 games. Yeah, now first 5 games are these. This is very important. I am going to need the matchup in order to know which games are in home and which games were played away. In order to compare the Warriors games in home and games away, in which the Warriors are better, home or away. This is very important. So in order to get the games home, they are in here. The GSW, which is the abbreviation of Warriors, VSCHI. If I find at, it means it is away. So let's let's choose a team. So the team we are going to use, let's do with the Raptors. The Raptors abbreviation is TOR. So games home. Let's extract the games home. So games home equals games and games, the matchup, this variable equals equals yeah, let's get this and let's do with the Raptors. Raptors is TOR. Games away equals the same thing, and I will change just the verses with the at. So here, for example, let's take this, put it in here, and say TOR for the Raptors. Games away. Let's execute this and see. If I go for games home, here, as you can see the matchup, it is all for the games home. I have so many. I can go with the head. So games home head. It will give me the first 5 items. So these are the games home and the games ahead. I have this variable. Let's see the variables the columns we have here. I have the plus and minus. Yeah. The plus and minus means if it is plus means they won. If it is minus means they lost. So let's get the mean. So games home, this variable, games home. Yeah. Let's get the plus and minus. Plus minus dot mean. Same thing I will do with the games away. Sorry, I need to do it one by one. So that's the first. That's the mean of the games home, and that's the mean of the games away. As you can see, the games home, the plus is more. Now let's plot the results. In order to do that, let's first get the fig. So fig and the axis equals PLT. This PLT, I got it from the matplotlib.pyplot. So the PLT dot subplots. AX fig dot subplots. Okay. That's the plot. Now what I need to do is games away. Let's get it from here. Games away dot plot x equals games date and y equals, say, plus minus okay, sorry, here it is game date. Yes, let me see, game ID. Yes, the team ID. Let's do the game, yeah, game date. Let's do the game date this way. That's the games away. The games home will be almost the same, but here it will be the games home. Let's plot game date and plus minus. By the way, I need to put the axis. So AX equals AX. Same thing goes here. AX.legend. Let's do away and home. Yeah. Legend, it will take a list where the first item is away. The second item will be home. Now let's show the results. Sorry, I need to put this again here. And now, as you can see, they play home better than away for the Warriors. This will show us the visualization of their performance. Yeah, hopefully you got an insight of how to do data analysis using the MBA API. Please let me know in the comments section if you have any questions, or what is your idea about the data analysis, or if you need to know like more about the tools or the methods. Please write in the comment section below. And that's all. Thank you.